The future of mobile app development. Hi, in this video, I'm going to talk about why Swift is the future of mobile app development. Swift is a new programming language created by Apple. It's designed to be simple, safe, and fast. Swift is also open source, which means that anyone can use it to create apps for iOS, macOS, watchOS, and tvOS. There are a few reasons why Swift is the future of mobile app development. First, it's simple. Swift is designed to be easy to learn and use, even for beginners. This makes it a great choice for people who want to create their own apps but don't have a lot of experience with programming. Second, Swift is safe. Swift is a type-safe language, which means that the compiler can catch errors at compile time. This helps to prevent bugs and crashes in your apps. Third, Swift is fast. Swift is one of the fastest programming languages available. This means that your apps will run smoothly and responsively. So, if you're looking for a programming language to create mobile apps, Swift is a great choice. It's simple, safe, and fast. And it's open source, so you can use it to create apps for any Apple platform. So what are you waiting for? Thank you. Associative provides IT services, Android and iOS app development, website, digital marketing, SEO, YouTube marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, and market research service. Please contact us via WhatsApp at 90288505524. Email info@associative.in, website associative.in and associative.co.in.